we are back again. So in this video, I'm be looking into my old portfolio website, which is really funny. But okay, we didn't come. It was not that terrible, but it's bad. Okay, I accept that it's bad. Uh, okay, more about school. Goes to a school website. Goes to the website. More about college. More about university. Okay, skills. Okay, okay. Skills, projects. Wow. We've already seen one, two, three. We will see these later. Okay, I will look into those later. Certifications and courses. Okay, what is this? Oh wow. Okay, I remember now. Yeah. So what this is? This is the funny part in this website. Okay, we'll see that later. Okay. It's also responsive, I guess. Mm, okay. Okay. It's terrible. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, not bad. I will look into the code directly. Hmm. Page. Wow. Rendering the main component. Main component has the about, which is this, I assume. Main component has the about. Just okay. Now bar and footer is in the layout. Now bar has the navigation. So this is now bar. Where is the image getting rendered from? Okay, main body. So I've gotten it done using CSS or what? Page. Okay, this is the image gafla basically. Okay. Oh damn. Why did it? Okay. Oh, main body has mobile.jpg. JPEG. Okay, for the media view. Oh, I have two different images or okay, I have two different images for mobile and desktop. Skills page. Oh wow, has unused components also. We don't have linter. Nice, nice. Projects page. Okay. Static. Object detected. Rendered. Okay, not fine. Cert. Okay, what is this? Why do I have models inside application? Education info. Wow. See this weird tags. I don't know why. Contact. Okay. Certifications. Certifications is taking cert.js. I mean get from cert.js, which is utils cert.js. Connect from DB. Wow. Okay. MongoDB is connected. Then we are fetching from MongoDB. And then how it get res sorted based on time and what's it doing? Okay. News effect. Certification grid. Let's just see the styling for the certification grid. Hmm. Wow. It's not that bad, but this definitely is because I'm not storing the certificate in file storage. What I'm doing is I'm just storing the data in MongoDB as certificate image location, date of completion, name of the certificate, provider. And that's how we get this. which is not that bad, to be honest. I'm not proud of myself for this, but I don't know what is this. What is this portfolio website of? But okay, this was my old portfolio website. We'll look into the new portfolio website in the later stages of today's. No config. Okay, packages. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, autoprefixer Tailwind version 3.4.17, TypeScript version 5. Not bad. We have. Why do we have Tailwind and CSS both? Where did I use Tailwind? Wait, what? I didn't use Tailwind at all. Wow. Then why do I have Tailwind in the configuration? Damn, don't ask me why and what, because I have no idea what I was doing. I have it all using CSS, but have Tailwind config. Okay, this is pretty funny because when did I build this website firstly? 364 comments. Okay, the dependency board. Oh, it is. When is it from? Oh, wow. Okay, it's basically old, so let it be. If you guys want this code, I will give the code in the description. So that's it. I'm just running it. Okay, Chrome data is okay. That's fine. What it was just npm npm run there to do all the basically run the server. I used Next.js. Hmm. I'm a license for the website. Okay, where is this license taking? You don't have a license. Okay. So not bad. That's it for now. So look into other projects in the later stages. This is my GitHub. If you want the code, you have it, and I will also give the link in the description. We'll look into other projects in the later next videos. Thank you.